This technique is called side plank sequence. Emily's going to begin in a plank position. Let's go ahead and set that up. As you can see, she's really focused on good alignment. She gets the shoulder heads over the wrists, fingers fanned open, really gripping the floor with her fingertips, activating everything there. Pelvis is in a good rotation. She's really got a lot of strength here. Good. Now she's going to shift everything over so that she can come into a one-arm balancing plank position. Now what makes this, I'm going to give her a little bit of help here so she doesn't have to think so much while I correct her. She's looking for those feet to be flexed. So she's got the edge of that right foot to base herself on. She's stacked with her left foot on top of the other. She's got her shoulder head over her wrists, and she's really working here, breathing, staying calm. She's got that hand up. Excellent. Now from here, she's going to tap this left foot on top of her right thigh, not her knee, because I don't want you putting pressure on your knee joint. From here, she's going to take that foot behind the body. Now I can move away from her, let her get her balance there. She expresses this posture. Looks really great. As you can see, nice lines here. Got a nice arc happening, stretching out the spine. Now from here, this is the tough part. She's going to lower the pelvis down, draw the elbow in, and she's going to calmly, gracefully, we hope, step this left foot all the way around into a lunge position without putting her hand on the floor. Nice. Excellent. Now she can base that left hand on the floor. She can step the left leg back to plank position. Now from here, she would do the same thing on the other side. She would simply shift her weight and rotate and begin the whole exercise over on the other side. And there is your one-arm plank sequence. This technique is spinning leaping leopard. So Al's going to come into a leaping leopard position. So basically, Al's in a squatting position, but he's got mobility here. He's not stretching, he's actively squatting. Now what he's going to do from here is he's going to leap up into the sky. Don't do it yet, please, Al. He's going to leap up into the sky. He's going to do a 180-degree rotation. He's going to land facing the back of the room. So here we go, Al. Let's do it one time. Nice. You notice he's extended out fully as he should be in all the leaping leopards, even while he's in rotation. One more time, Al. Good. Again, notice how soft he lands. He's very controlled. He's really lengthening out. He's got a lot of awareness in his body, so he's really cultivating quality of movement as opposed to quantity of movement. So now he's going to do a 360-degree turn with this technique. So he's going to leap straight up in the sky, again, using his head and his torso to spin him. He needs to spot target, which is important. So if you are target right now with him, he needs to spin all the way, spot you, and land. Nice. Now go the other way out. There it is. Good. Again, he uses all fours. He uses everything he's got to come down and base himself and balance himself. There's your spinning leaping leopard. This technique is called standing monkey. Alan's going to begin in a fighting monkey position. So go ahead, Alan, come on down into that. Good. So he's going to go ahead and extend this right leg through. Just go ahead and sit down on your butt. Good. Now from here, he's basically, if you keep this simple, it'll be easy to learn. You're basically going to cartwheel up into place. You're going to take this hand. You're going to base it very near the foot. If you base it here, you will not have the right alignment. You won't come up in a proper position. So you want to reach way out here as you rotate onto the ball of that foot, stepping the, in this case, left foot back, and then sliding the right foot back into Furudachi, or an immovable stance. Now let's reverse this. He's going to simply take his hands to the floor. He's going to roll over that extended leg, and he's back to the same position again. So let's just review it several times. He's got the right leg out. He's going to roll over, step back. He's up. He's going to grab the ground, keep that leg straight, and again, take this leg. Let's go over that little movement right there for him real quick. So roll over. This right here. Now reverse this. Noticing that you have to keep this leg lengthened out and energized the whole time. Rolling over, stepping back, and bring it back. Now hold right there. Notice how he swept this leg. Do that again so they can see this. Watch how he sweeps the back leg around. And then he rolls that foot down into a seated position. That was well done, Alan. And there's your standing monkey.